Hi Aries, hope you're doing well. If your sun, moon, rising or Venus is in the sign of Aries, this video is for you. And your Lord Mars is conjuncting Rahu in the sign of Taurus. I have posted a relationship as well as career and money reading separately on my YouTube channel. So the link is there in the description box. So you can go through that if you have yet not seen. That will help you to understand how these 20 days are going to treat you and how Mars and Rahu conjunction is going to affect you. Okay. And this particular video is primarily for you for 15th of March till 31st of March 2021. Let's see how these 2 weeks are going to treat you and what is it that they are going to bring in for you. Aries, what are the messages for Aries? Okay, all right. I believe this is the energy of Mars being with Rahu. So what happens with Mars and Rahu, this is very nicely explained in those 2 videos. So please go through those 2 videos on relationship and career to understand. But here you are advised that in these 15 days from 15th of March till 31st of March, so 16 days basically, please make sure that you ask yourself this question, why? What is the reason, what is the motive behind whatever you're doing? If you are reacting, then why? If you're responding, why? If you're talking to somebody in a certain way, why? If you're taking a step, why? What is the motive behind meeting and not meeting somebody, replying and not replying to somebody, getting into a project and not getting into that project, traveling, or whatever you are doing? Just keep asking yourself the motive and the reason behind that. So why is something that primarily you should be very clear, because it is your choices of karma that paves way for you in a positive or a negative way. Okay, so through some karma choices that we make, if we are not clear on our intention, we'll start another cycle of karma. Because why am I saying that? Because here round and round is a card which has come, that probably you are into some karmic pattern which is repeating itself over and over and over again. Though you have grown through that cycle of handling the same situation, or you know how to handle such kind of people that you keep attracting, such kind of situations that you keep attracting, you might have grown, you might have developed that patience or maybe immunity to handle such situation. But this is a karmic pattern which keeps repeating, because every time it comes, you actually don't ask these questions, why are you responding or reacting in the same way or in this way or in a different way. So ask yourself this question, so that in these 15 days time your motives are clear, and once that is clear, you will be in a better position to take a different route to get out of this round and round karmic pattern. Okay, since it is a karma thing altogether, let's see what tarot has to say. Your motives are actually related. Motives are very important for you to know, so that you can come out of your age-old karmic pattern. It can be money not coming to you, getting stuck in the same sort of relationship. Okay, Aries. And okay, so Aries, you have 8 of Earth or 8 of Pentacles. Then you have Page of Wands and 10 of Cups, 10 of Moon. All right, so 8 of Pentacles is a card of, 8 of Earth is actually a card of single-mindedly getting into something so that you can break a chain. It can be something that you want to learn something new or launch something new. It's a very meditative state of mind wherein you really want to get into it. It's awakened meditation. So your eyes are open, you're actually working hard towards something, you're thinking about something, you're learning something new. You maybe, like, you might have to have, like, the way when we have to give some competitive examinations, the way we are, working hard single-mindedly towards it so that we can clear that paper or whatever, is what is Eight of Earth all about. It's like, you are actually continuing to, you really concentrating over the work at hand, and one by one you're doing that. That may have taken some sort of your peace, but it's like nothing exists but that exists, that work exists for you. And probably that work I can see is actually about this karmic pattern. Okay, and what you have to do is now understand why are you so engrossed, so deeply engrossed into this round and round pattern. Then comes that page of wands, which talks about a new beginning. It talks about that that zeal, that energy, that enthusiasm, that curiosity that you have, that I want to get the work done. So that fiery element is a good thing, but use it to as a propeller for you so that you can move towards 10 of cups, which is a card of family, which is a card of actual psychological emotional fulfillment, wish fulfillment. 10 is also a number of completion. So it's a card which talks about a lot of emotional satisfaction with family, loved ones, friends, all that. So somehow, you have, if you want to get out of this older karmic pattern, though you have grown a lot through this pattern by by really pushing yourself through this pattern, you have grown, but still keep asking yourself, why are you doing whatever you are doing? You are single-mindedly thinking about something, you may have to learn something, start something new in your life so that you can have that emotional satisfaction. Let's really clarify some by drawing some more cards. Let's see. It is Page of Pentacles, Two of Cups, and the Star card. Okay, so I think it is more to do with some contract you're looking for. If you're looking for, see, I wouldn't say a fling or a dating thing that you're looking for. Here, if at all it is something to do with relationship, then this is a relationship of value. Okay, not a fling, not a time pass, not a date, that boyfriend girlfriend thing, but it is more to do with something of value, which is long-term commitment towards which you have to work hard. You have to put yourself onto. Either this reading is taking you towards that and talking about that family thing, or wish fulfillment, because Star is a card of wish fulfillment and healing. Two of Swords is a soulmate card, which talks about, if you actually believe into that, because I don't. Basically, this is a card which talks about two people joining hands and exchanging their love for one another. This is for me. Two of Cups is a card of complete emotional balance and harmony between the two souls. It can be you and your soul, or it can be you and your person. It is a contract between from, if it is a work situation, guys, then you are definitely signing a new job, new project, new client. Something amazing is coming your way, because Page of Pentacles is anyways a new beginning, new opportunity coming your way, with the healing and the manifestation and hope fulfillment card of the Star. But it is also saying this hope fulfillment. Okay, so when do we have hope? When we are actually stuck. So it's very important to follow this motive. Take an inventory of your motives and ask, why are you reacting this way? Why are you angry so much? Why are you confused so much? Or whatever it is, good or bad, both. Come to a point wherein you're very clear about each and every steps and the choices that you're making, because do not create another cycle of karma to get out of the older karma. Okay, and towards that, at the end, definitely some healing is happening, completion is happening towards the end of these 15 days. But yes, these two things are very important for you, so that you can have a new beginning, because we have two pages here along with Two of Cups and 10 of Cups with the Star card, and it requires a lot of effort from your side in all directions. Okay, so put that effort, even if you have to put that single-minded effort, put it towards understanding your own self, okay, rather than somebody else or something else. Or if it is a job situation, please make sure that you are learning new skills, and for that maybe a completely new technique or something, that you software, or maybe some new studies that you're doing, that will bring about that change in your work life, in your career, in your money aspects. So yes, I understand there's a karmic pattern going on, but you can break through it. And these 15 days, primarily these 16 days, because star card is actually talking about 16, 17 days. So these 16 days, 17 days are definitely very important for you, so that you know, get out of this karmic pattern this month itself, so that from April 1st you can usher into something amazing, Aries. So make sure that you know, you use the power of Mars and Rahu's conjunction, which helps you to propel towards doing that you have never done. But make sure that it is under your total control of the clarity of motives. Do not be impatient during this week. It is a week of transformation for you, healing for you. You know, getting what you want, but after a sort of journey, bit of journey, and that journey is within your own self. Okay, so that's it from my side to you, Aries. Please take care of yourself. If you like this video, please share it with your loved ones, and do comment in the comment box um, about how these 2 weeks treat you ultimately. Please take care. See you in the next video.